second quarter na ni. Katong continue last Sunday. Wala pikas. Nice block. Grabe nga dipin sabay. Jersey number 1. Symbol position. Gawas. Jersey number 1. Okay, kumambak na tao. Loko. Loko, isuki. Loko. Grabe ka kondisyon mo. Jersey 24. Oh, loko. Bola pikas. Jersey number 3. Pinagping na ball. Jersey number 12. Dito. Loko. Grabe ka rebound mo. Oh, loko. Kumambak na ay. Kusog na.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 43 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 3. No good. Rebound by Lim. Wala rebound niya kung number 22. Number 22, yes. 2 points to the line. Number James. Number 24. Number James. Number Lee. Pass to number 3. No! Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 1. Number 1 again. Yes. Remaining time 45 seconds. Number 9. Rebound by James. Wala siya. Pipip. Oh, hindi masa sa number 1. 2. Yes, sir. 2 points. Number 3. Nagpasa ang Lim. Connect. 20-24. Pass forward. And shoot. Yes, sir. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Oh, there's a jumping violation committed by number 3. Pass to James. He passes. Number 1. No good. One by Lim to number 9. Number 9 to number 27. Number 27 nagmamagaling. Wisi. No good. Rebound by Lim again. Lim. No good. Number 27. No good. Lim. Yes, sir. 2 points commit by Lim. 26, 22. Remaining time 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Oh, there is a foul. Number 24 for the Twenty-two, 26. Yes. 1 point. Number 3. Pass to number 27. Number 27 for 3. Number. Rebound by Lim to number 9. Oy! Wala. Yes. 23-8. Last 3 minutes. 12 to shoot. Arby, no. Number 3. No good. 2 points committed by number 3. 20-23 in favor of Rex. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Banino, Magaling, for number 3. Number 3, nagmamadali. Oy, there's a...
Ikan magugdabo ito na agad, nakapanguha ko na itong mga pads ko.
Last row.
Ay, yung supplier na dapo, ang minute. Hindi namin opisina sa dapo. Pero sa Cagayan, hindi na mabiglan.
Dagan, iwan siya.
Wala ka siya di smart.
Last 2 minutes. No good. Rebound by number 24, number 24, Paribani. There's a foul committed by number 3. No good.
Kanya ba susuki Morales? Bago na open.
One minute and 28 seconds remaining time. Last two. Yes. 24-21. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 27. 27 for 2. Yes, sir. 1 minute and 16 shot clock. 57 seconds. Number 24, Body is the ball. Here's a foul committed by number 9.
Tawagan sa Tino.
50 seconds remaining time. Yes.
Tinoy!
25-33. 46. Number 27. Yes, sir. Sitting second. In the shoot. Last time. 8 to shoot. 22 seconds left for the second half. Second quarter. Bandi. 6, 4, 3, 2, no good. Number 14 seconds. Remaining time for the second quarter. 11, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5 seconds. 1 second left for the second quarter.
Shot. Bang. Kapit.
Score 27-36 in favor of Rex.
Lagi pada doon lah.
Arpito.
Patay, shooter kayo na. Iyay ka. Iyay ka kuha. Nice pass. Grabe nga pasa na. Sakto kayo.
59-26. Number 3. Number 3, no good. Rebound ka number 24. 24 to Bandi. Bandi to number 1. Back to Bandi again.
Loko. Kan loko. Oh, tira oy.
What a nice pass.
Mag-westbrook.
26 in favor of Team Rex. Number 12 to number 27. Pass to number 3. No good. Shot good. 38. Bandi looking for his companion. 13 to shoot. Number 1 for
Patay.
2. No good. Oy. Nagkuha sa number 27. Hustle to number 12. Number 12. No good. Rebound by number 27. Yes, sir. 2 points committed by number 27. 40-31. 6 minutes and 11 seconds. James. What a nice pass. Number 24 to Earth. No good. Number 12. Looking for his companion. 18 seconds to shoot. Lee. 12 seconds to shoot.
Bang.
No good. Rebound by Bandit. Bandit to number 1.
Nice pass.
Yes, sir. 33-40. Labaw kaya po ng Rex. 5 minutes and 38 seconds.
Sada.
What's a nice pass committed by number 12. Bandit. Looking for his companion. Pass to James. James to number 1.
Patay.
No good.
Oh, grabe. Nice rebound.
5 minutes and 9 seconds.
Kuha. Nice defense.
It's a traveling double dribble. 53-44, 52. Number 27 attempt to 3. No good. Rebound by Bandi. There's a foul committed by number 12. Ducky foul. Bandi. 18 seconds to shoot. Arte for 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Isa. James.
3 seconds.
Still number 3 to number 27.
Oh, yay! Slide pa yun.
Good.
Sayang.
There's no whistle. Bandi. Arte. Nagtinulo na pass to Bandi. 30 to shoot. Number 24. No good. Rebound by James. It is last touch committed by James. 33-42 in favor of Team Breaks. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 3. There's a troubling violation committed by number 3. 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Bandi. What a nice is a foul committed by number 12. Second personal foul. First one, yes. Last two. Jumper really. Yes. 25-42. The third quarter. Number 12. Pass to number 27. Number 27. There's no whistle. Take the shoot. There's a foul. Who's fouled out? Skipping on the line. 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Bandi. It in the shoot. Bandi to number 1. Yes, sir. Marias. 37-42. Bagay na lang. 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 27. No good. Rebound by number 1. Bandi. Pass to James. To number 1. Was a nice pass. There's a foul committed by Lee.
Cha.
1 minute and 47 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Good. Jumper in. Last two. Yes. 18 to shoot. 14. Yes.
Uy, kaya di na paggawaso na. Ay, dili na ba? Di na ba subito?
44-8. Arte. Ibunta na naman. Foul committed by who's foul rate? 24. Seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 12 to number 27. No good. Pass to number 3. Yes, Kibordi. 40. 46-28. 10 to shoot.
Nice pass.
Yes, James. 19.
15 seconds.
10.
Pang, wala. Nice rebound.
5.
Any time. Tara. Dos tres na. Shot. Counted.
46-40. Level team breaks gapon.
46-43.
43-46. Sorry.
Last quarter.
Bandi.
Wala ka, wala na. Grabe nga tao. Well counted.
Last two.
Pacers.
Udah, nariwan pa gitu.
LeBron James.
Tingnan na tayo, Burton nila na. Kailangan na si Jalen Brunson. So yan na, nasubo si Jiguan ba?
15 seconds to shoot.
Yes, sayang sa ilalong. Ay, gipalap. Nice.
47-46. Naglabaw na ng si James.
Labaw na. Kapos.
7 seconds to shoot. Number 12. No good. Rebound pa number
Ay, habog na.
1. RP.
Advance. Ayaw.
Nagmamadali. RP ay giborden pala. Rebound sa number 1. Nakuha. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 12. Number 12.
Nice.
27.
Laka.
Yes.
Yabe, gibalik na.
48-47. Labaw ang Emirates.
Oops.
Bande to number 24. Malalay.
Kakalos.
49-48. 6 minutes and 26 seconds of minutes. Number 9. Yuyu ang tuna. Yes, sir. Bande.
2,000.
Bande, nakita siya naman. Gilihan si James. Kedunay na naman ito. Dito kasama. Bande. 11 seconds to shoot.
Dili ba kung bakante na bukan pagadami mo.
7.
Chris. Ay,
4. Rebound by number 9.
nice defense mo gino.
Bande.
Tira kayo eh. Oh, loko.
Pass to Earth. To number 1. Yes, sir. 51-50. Labaw ang Alligators. Number 27 to number 3. Yes, sir.
Gibalo sa lecho.
5 minutes and 23.
Pas. Tulo. Okay.
Result time out. Temperance.
Backline ang dua.
4 seconds to shoot.
Chris na. Kena ka shooter kena. Oh.
No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24. Pali-pali. That is a foul.
Counted.
Nag-blitz foul. Kita foul. Yes. Double. Number 3. Number 3. Yes, sir. Warning, delay the game. Number 3. 52-53. Remain ang score. Labaw ang Alligator.
Score.
Come on. Oh, there's a foul. Foul. Team foul. James.
Kickball. Nakuha. Mas likod. Oh, loko. Grabe ka kondisyon ng tao niya.
56-54.
Oh, loko. Oh, loko.
There's a foul. Blocking foul. Time out. Time out, ref.
54-56.
2-4. Foul. Wala. Seconds roll.
Dili daw.
3 minutes and 55 seconds. Wala. Rebound gamon. Oh, number 24. Last touch committed by number 24. Score 56-54 in favor of Alligators. Lim. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Yes.
Duol lang
2
kayo
points
kabot
committed
na.
by number 3. Bandi. 13 seconds to shoot. James. Ipasa sa number 24. 7 seconds to shoot.
Balik.
Jam.
3 minutes, 3 seconds.
Shot.
No good. Rebound by number 3.
Ay, kayo. Patay, buak.
Wala magkadimao. Bandi. 15 seconds.
Nice.
Nice cut.
Ay, sayang.
No good. Number 3. Chan to number 12. Number 12 at number 3. Wala. Rebound by number
Oh.
3. Wala.
Iye, wala.
It is about number 24. Number 12. No good. Rebound by
Rebound,
number
bay.
27.
Nice rebound, no?
2 points. 58. 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
56, 58. 15 seconds. Shut down. Money, no. Money. 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining time. 56, 58. Labang ang team breaks. Lim. Panibani system.
Shot.
Yes, 2 points committed by Lim.
Laban na gupat.
56-60. Labaw ng Reds. 1 minute.
Lamang yung ipat.
Sam, okay na motor.
Bandu.
Ako'y nagamit ato.
Gawin mo mabantayan ng wiwi dito.
15 to shoot. James, Bandi, at TPD.
Shot. Bang!
Pambay, walang yapon.
Baba pa lagi ito magina baba.
Tris. Kada. Tris.
Number 12. 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
Payag ka.
Hardcore
Kontra.
violation.
Nah, lamang upat. Sayang. Oops.
Number 9. Lee. No good.
Okay.
Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Yes. Gisigitan ba yun yung man? 62, 56. Bande,
Shit.
number 3. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 to 27.
Ala ka.
Wala. Yes. 2 points committed by 27.
Ano, napildi pa yun sila. Tris na.
15 seconds.
Tris. Oh, sada. Shot. Kaya dipinsa. Gamay rin yung labaw.
15 seconds. Time out. Number 3.
Good man
2
lagi.
points.
Yung nag-time out.
Time out. Remaining time 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
59.
10 seconds remaining time.
64. Tris. Shot.
Bande, no good.
Pildi na.
5.
Pildi.
Time.
64. 59. Nice game.